1st December is celebrated as World AIDS Day. On this day, the world stands in solidarity with those affected by the dreaded HIV/AIDS virus and honor the lives that were lost to the disease. To this day, HIV/AIDS still stands as a major global health issue that is linked to a number of critical issues that have affected the entire globe. This year's theme for World AIDS Day is Global Solidarity, Shared Responsibility. The pandemic has something to teach us on global solidarity and how this has been a sought-for intervention in the fight against HIV/AIDS. In Shillong, World AIDS Day was observed at U Soso Tham Auditorium, where the Commissioner and Secretary of the Health and Family Welfare Department, Govt of Meghalaya, and also President of the Meghalaya Aids Control Society, Shri Sampath Kumar, was the chief guest. It may be mentioned that strict adherence to government protocol was maintained for the safety of all attendees to the function.
Various steps that are being taken by the MACs in terms of preventing this AIDS and also providing the sensible support to the AIDS patients within the state.
Others present on the occasion were Dr. Mrs. Rafelia Alia, Project Director, Meghalaya Aids Control Society, Shillong; Dr. Mrs. J.B. Rani, Deputy Director, STI Meghalaya Aids Control Society, Shillong, besides other invitees and members of the public.